I'm delighted that Mamata ji has been here to spend a few days in Puri. As you know, we have excellent relations. We are neighboring states and we had a very old friendship.
Sir, nationally you are a trendsetter. And what was the topic of discussion regarding the national politics?
As I said, today was a courtesy call, so there was no in-depth discussion at all about serious political matters. We just said the federal structure in India should remain permanent and strong.
Regarding
Sir, what about any discussion were held regarding 2024 general election?
No.
You both are always claim to maintaining equidistance from Congress and BJP.
Yes.
So, like, what were about?
As I said, today was a courtesy call. There was just a nice informal discussion, nothing of any solid nature. Mamata ji?
Now, I am grateful to Honorable Naveen ji. He is a very tall leader, and I know even once when I was a first-term MP at my early age, then Biju ji invited me in. That was my first meeting. So this house I came 2-3 times. Even earlier also when Amit Shah came for this in Eastern region meeting, then also Naveen ji invited us for lunch. So I remember this. It's a good gesture for Naveen ji to give me all protocol, all affections. The officers are very good. They have given us good hospitality and everything. From puja to staying and meeting, everything is so good. In the blessings of Jai Jagannath, I told Naveen ji I am also building up one Jagannath temple in Digha, and also I invited Naveen ji to come to Bengal also, because we both are the neighboring state, and always if there is a cyclone in Odisha, the cyclone will come to Bengal. So that is the situation. If there is a power cut in Odisha for cyclone, then Bengal also faces the same problem. But we maintain very, very good relationship. It is a golden leadership, and what Naveen ji said, our federal structure should be very strong and strengthened. I strongly support this. I appreciate this, and I think that I am grateful. I am obliged to Naveen ji. He handed over us the paper in principle, 2 acres of land for the Bango Bhavan, Vishwa Bangla Bhavan in Puri
For Bengali people.
for Bengal tourists. And also I requested Naveen ji, because merchant of chambers, they requested me when I came to Puri. We don't have the iron ore, but Odisha have the golden area of the iron ore. They have so many industries also. So if we can sign a MOU or something like that, the chambers, then they can get also some iron ore from here. So Bengal and Odisha, the one industrial corridor may be further developed to develop our economy.
What is your opinion
What is the discussion regarding the political structure at 2024 elections? And many times your action.
আমরা দেশকে নিয়ে we have discussed about the safety and democratic rights and the nation's safety. Let us hope that our people should be safe and sound.
Didi, every time elections are near, means instead of, it has been seen that instead of united opposition, there is different not alternate front is emerging. So how do you look into it?
Why you are worried for the election? अभी तो 1 साल देर है.
But madam, your preparation of the
You see, when myself and senior leader Naveenji is here, I came to meet him courtesy as a matter of courtesy. I may not discuss my opinion, all the discussing about the details in front of him, because something he may not support, something I may not support. So it's a both side. So when I'll be alone, you ask me the individual, all the question, political question, whatever you have, I'll give you golden box.
If you were here,